Welcome back to our channel Belguru Kids Fun and Learn. Hey little explorers, today we are diving into the wonderful world of domestic animals. Are you ready to meet some furry friends? Hello, I am Dog, the loyal one. Hi, I am Cat, the cutest one. Hi, I am Horse, the speedy runner. I am Hen. I lay eggs from which you can make yummy breakfast. I am Cow. Do you know where milk comes from? I am Duck. We love to splash and play in water. I am Goat. We eat grass, give milk, meat, and leather. I am Donkey. I am hard worker used to carry goods. I am Sheep. My curly, soft hairs are used to make wool. I am Rabbit, with fur white as snow, and we love to eat carrot. I am Camel. We are found in desert. Hello, I am Llama. My wool is colorful. It can be red, brown, tan, black, grey, or white. If you like the video, subscribe, like, and share the channel.